Take the bass line out. Jiggle.
Bounce with it.
Yeah. Let it bump though. From standing on the corners bopping to driving some of the hottest cars New Yorkers ever seen, for dropping some of the hottest verses rappers ever heard, from the dope spot with the smoke block flinging the murder scene. You know me well from nightmares of a lonely cell, my only hell. But since when y'all